So now that we have that done, now we're going to move into the styling portion of the haircut. So we have a couple choices. So we can either use, if we want to go with a dry look, we can use a shaping paste, which this is my shaping paste. It's kind of like a cement. It's very, very strong, and it's going to give a matte finish, which is a dry finish, and it's going to give a real strong hold, and it's going to not look like he has anything in his hair. Or Billy and I discussed before the haircut, he wanted to go with something a little softer, so we're going to use my grooming cream, which is going to give it a medium hold and a medium shine, and he likes to run his fingers through his hair during the day, so he's going to be able to with this. So the grooming cream also has lavender oil and coconut oil in it, which are both very good for the hair and scalp. So I'm going to take about a knuckles, almost a knuckles worth of the grooming cream, and then we're going to rub it. I'm going to rub it in my hands. And I'm going to start, again, especially with that circular growth pattern, I'm going to go over the top. I'm going to come from the front and go underneath and get right down to the roots of the hair this way. And then I'm going to push it back forward again. That way we get the hair all the way, that way we get the product all the way through. And he said he wants to just kind of leave it natural, and he doesn't comb his hair, brush his hair. He likes to just go with this kind of look. So just in the back here, I want to make sure I get the product through. All the way through. And then at the end I can mess it up again. But I want to make sure that product is all the way through so it has holding power throughout the day. So then what I'll do is I'll just take my fingers and then we'll just mess it up a little bit. And just lift it up a little bit in the front. And then I'm just gonna spin them around a little bit so you can see the full view here, what it looks like from the front. And you can see that we have complete coverage on the side there. Nothing sticking up in the back. We got a nice blend. And then if you take a close look at the bottom, we get faded right out to nothing. So we have a nice natural looking haircut.